Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss 2-point form examples. Okay, so 2-point form formula is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus x1. So now we are going to solve examples using 2-point form. So question number 1. Find equation of straight line passing through the points 2, 3 and 3, 1. In this example, you need to find out equation of what? Straight line. But what are the given values? Here 2 points are given. x1, y1 is given and x2, y2 is given. You know, when 2 points are given, which formula you have to apply? 2-point formula you need to apply. That is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus x1. So first step, what to do? You need to consider. See, first point as x1 y1 and second point as what here? X2 y2. So next write the formula. So this is the formula. Equation of a straight line y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus x1. So after this step, what to do? You need to substitute x1 y1 value and x2 y2. So if you substitute, see, y minus y1 is how much here? 3 y2 is 1, so 1 minus of y1 is 3. y1 is how much here? 3 upon x2 is 3 minus x1 is how much here? 1. Sorry, x1 is how much here? 2 into bracket x minus of, again x1 value goes to 2. So next do the simplification. Next y minus 3 I am going to keep it as it is. 1 minus of 3 is how much here? Minus 2 upon 3 minus 2 is how much? 1 into bracket x minus 2 I am going to keep it as it is. So here you can do by this method also. Minus 2 divided by 1 means minus 2, then open the bracket. That is also correct. Otherwise you can do the cross multiplication. So if I do the cross multiplication, this 1 will come to the numerator here, correct? So in the left hand side, so that time it is 1 into bracket y minus 3 equals to, here remaining value is what? Minus 2 into bracket x minus of 2. So in the next step, left hand side also open the bracket, right hand side also open the bracket. Once you open the bracket, it will be 1 into y is y, 1 into minus 3, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus into minus is plus, 2 into 2 is how much here? 4. So next, you know, here x contains which sign? Negative sign. So because of that reason, what I am going to do? I am going to shift these two values to left hand side. So that time minus 2x becomes what here? Plus 2x. Next, already plus y is there, so keep it as it is. Minus 3 is there, so keep it as it is. Plus 4, if you shift to left hand side, plus 4 becomes minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, finally 2x plus y minus 7 is equals to 0. So that is the answer. So this is the required equation of what? Straight line. Next question. See, next question. Find equation of a straight line passing through the points minus 3, 5 and 3, minus 3, and using equation of straight line find slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. So it means, see, in this question, first see, 2 points are given. x1 y1 value is given, x2 y2 value is given. So using these 2 points, you need to find out which value here? Equation of straight line you have to find out. Once you find equation of straight line, next step what to do? Whatever the equation of straight line you will get, using that equation of straight line, you need to find out what? Slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. That is the meaning of this question. So first step what to do? Take these 2 points. Consider. Let minus 3 comma 5 consider as x1 y1 and 3 comma minus 3 consider as x2 y2. Next, write the formula. Therefore, equation of a straight line formula is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus x1. So next, substitute x1 y1 and x2 y2 values. See, therefore y minus y1. y1 is how much here? 5. So here 5. y2 is minus 3, so minus 3. Middle negative sign, keep it as it is. y1 is 5, so it is 5 divided by x2 is 3. Middle negative sign, keep it as it is. x1 is minus 3, so write it in bracket minus 3 into bracket x, keep it as it is, minus also keep it as it is. x1 value is how much? Minus 3. Next, do this simplification. So first y minus 5 I'm going to keep it as it is. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. Then minus into minus goes to plus. So 3 plus 3 is how much here? 6. Into x I'm going to keep it as it is. Minus into minus goes to plus 3. Cancel here. So 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. Therefore, what is the remaining value here now? Y minus 5 is equals to minus 4 divided by 3 into x plus 3. So next, do the cross multiplication. If I cross multiply, so what will happen? This 3 will come in the numerator. So that time 3 into bracket, what is the remaining value? Y minus 5 is equals to minus 4 into bracket x plus 3. Next step, open the bracket in left hand side, open the bracket in right hand side. So that time 3 into y is 3y, 3 into minus 5 is minus 15, minus 4 into x is minus 4x, minus 4 into 3 is how much here? Minus 12. Again here x contains negative sign, so because of that reason these 2 values I am going to shift to left hand side. So that time minus 4x becomes what here? Plus 4x. Already plus 3y it is there in the left hand side, keep it as it is. Minus 15 also keep it as it is. Minus 12 becomes what here? Plus 12. So next therefore 4x plus 3y minus 15 plus 12 is how much here? Minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of what? Straight line. So next, what to do? Using this equation of straight line, you need to find out, see, using equation of a straight line, find slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Therefore, what I am going to do, I am going to consider this equation, I am going to compare this equation with the standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. See, x beside a is there, coefficient of x is a. So, a becomes which value here? 4. Therefore, a is equals to 4, b is equals to 3 and c is equals to, consider the negative sign also, that is minus 3. Therefore, slope m is equals to, what is the formula? Minus a upon b. Minus sign, keep it as it is. A is 4 upon b is how much here? 3. So, slope value goes to minus 4 divided by 3. So, next x-intercept. X-intercept formula minus c divided by a minus, keep it as it is, c. C is how much here? Minus 3. So, in bracket you write minus 3 upon a. A is 4. Next, minus into minus goes to plus. So, answer is 3 divided by 4. And finally, y-intercept. Therefore, y-intercept formula minus c divided by b, minus sign, keep it as it is. Again C is how much here? Minus 3 upon A value is how much here? Sorry, B value how much here? 3. Therefore, minus into minus is plus 3 divided by 3. Cancel these two 3. What is the remaining value? 1. Therefore, slope value minus 4 upon 3. X intercept 3 by 4. Y intercept answer is 1. Next, median. See, median definition is a straight line from a vertex from the triangle to the midpoint of opposite side, then the line is called what here? Median line. So here we need to consider one triangle. So this is the triangle ABC. See, in that triangle how many points will be there? 3 points will be there. One is A point, B point and C point. See, median line means this is the straight line from a vertex of the triangle. So this is the straight line from the vertex of the triangle. Any one vertex, either from A or B or C. Here I am considering from A point. See, a straight line from a vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. So once you start this straight line, where it will go? It will touch to what? The midpoint of the opposite side. Which one is the opposite side here? BC is the opposite side. Then such type of line is going to call it as what here? Median line. Otherwise, if you draw a straight line from the vertex B, where it will go? To the midpoint of which line here? AC line. So if I start with point C, again where it will go? It will go to the exactly midpoint of what? Which line here? AB line. Therefore, median line means what? A straight line from a vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of opposite side. Then the line is called what here? Median line. So in this part, what we are going to do? We are going to solve the examples. In this, we are going to find out this equation of what here? Median line. So now consider one example. Here it is. If the vertices of the triangle are 4, 1, 4, 2 and 2, 6, then find equation of median through the vertex A. So this is the question. So here 3 points of the triangle already given. So 4, 1, 4, 2 and 2, 6. Using these 3 points, what to find? You need to find out the equation of what? Median. Already condition is given what? Through the vertex A. Through the vertex what here? A. Therefore, see here one triangle I am going to consider. Here one triangle I am going to consider. Here this point A, first point value I am going to consider as A, 4, 1. Second point 4, 2. Third point 2, 6. Okay. So here through the vertex A it is given. Therefore, from the vertex A I am going to trace one straight line. That point, this point I am going to call it as what? M, because this is the midpoint of which line here? BC. Therefore, this point I am going to consider as what here? M. Next, this line equation we need, correct? This line equation we need to find out the equation. Minimum here 2 points are required, correct? So here 2 points already it is there. One is A, 4, 1. One more is M. But here problem is what? A value you know, that is 4, 1, but you don't know the value of what here? M. So this point value you don't know. Therefore, first step what to do? You need to find out which value here? M value. But how to find out M? You know M means what? Midpoint of which line here? BC line. Correct. Therefore, using the midpoint formula, we are going to find out the value of M. Okay. Therefore, see the solution. First point I am going to consider as 4, 1. B point as 4, 2 and C point as 2, 6. Okay. and C point as what here 2 comma 6. Next, we know M is the midpoint of which line? BC. M is the midpoint of which line here? BC. Therefore, B is equals to 4 comma 2. We need to consider as x1, y1. We need to consider as what here? x1, y1, and C in bracket 2 comma 6 we need to consider as x2, y2. Therefore, use the midpoint formula. You know midpoint formula is what? Midpoint M is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So next step what to do? x1 y1 x2 y2 value you substitute here. Therefore see x1 is 4, so here 4 plus x2 is how much here? 2, so here 2 divided by 2 comma y1, so y1 is how much here? 2, so 2 plus y2 is how much here? 6, so here 6 divided by 2. Add 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by 2, 6 plus 2 is 8 divided by 2, cancel 2 1, 2 3s are 2 1 2 4. Therefore, what is the value of M here? M value you got 3 comma 4. So finally you got which value here? M. So now we need to find out this line equation. Therefore in this line A is the first point 4 comma 1, M is the second point M, that is 3 comma 4. That's why next step what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider therefore A in bracket 4 comma 1 as x1 comma y1 and M into bracket 3 comma 4 as x2 y2. Therefore apply now equation of median line. Therefore equation of median line is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus x1. This formula we are going to use because how many points you know here? 2 points. Substitute the values. Y minus y1 is 1 is equals to y2 4, y1 is 1 upon x2 is 3 and x1 is 4 into bracket x minus of 4. First simplify this. You know 4 minus 1 is how much here? 3. 3 minus 4 is how much here? Minus 1. Remaining these two values keep it as it is. Next what to do? Do the cross multiplication. So otherwise you can do by this method also. 3 divided by 1 means minus 3, then open the bracket. That is also correct. Otherwise I am going to do the cross multiplication. If I do the cross multiplication, minus 1 will come in the numerator. So minus 1 into bracket y minus 1 equals to this 3 into bracket x minus of 4. Next open the bracket in both the side. Therefore minus 1 into y is minus y. Minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is how much here? 1. Next 3 into x is 3x, 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Here x contains already positive sign, so because of this reason these two values I am going to shift to right hand side. Okay, so that time here remaining value will be 0 is equals to 3x. I am going to keep it as it is, minus y becomes plus y, plus 1 becomes minus 1. Already minus 12 it is there in the right hand side, keep it as it is. Therefore finally 3x plus y minus 1 minus 12 is how much here? Minus 13 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of what? Median line. So next question. See, next question is, if the vertices of the triangle are minus 1 comma 3, minus 3 comma 5 and 7 comma minus 9, then find equation of median through the vertex B. Okay, so now first step same, draw a triangle. Here the triangle is there, A point, first point I am going to consider A, second point B and third point as what here? C. So here condition A is given what? Through the vertex B. Here is the vertex B. From this B I am going to draw one straight line. This point I am going to call it as M. So this is the midpoint of which line here? AC line. Therefore first what to do? We need to find out which value here? M value. Therefore write M is the midpoint of which line here? AC line. Correct. Therefore A value minus 1 comma 3 becomes x1 y1 and C value 7 comma minus 9 becomes x2 y2. So now apply midpoint formula. So you know this is the midpoint formula. Midpoint M is equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So next substitute x1 minus 1 x2 7 upon 2 comma y1 3 plus y2 minus 9 divided by 2. Therefore minus 1 plus 7 is 6 divided by 2 comma 3 minus 9 is minus 6 divided by 2. Cancel 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3. So what is the midpoint value here? M value is 3 comma minus 3. So you got which value? M value. Now using B point and M point we need to find out this line equation. Okay, therefore first point B in bracket minus 3 comma 5 consider as x1 y1 and M into bracket 3 comma minus 3 consider as x2 y2. Therefore equation of median line y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus x1. Substitute the values. Y1 is 5. So here 5. Y2 minus 3. So minus 3 minus y1 is again 5 divided by x2. 3 middle negative sign, x1 value is minus 3, keep it in bracket, into bracket x minus x1 value is how much here? Minus 3. So next do the simplification. Y minus 5 I am going to keep it as it is. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 upon minus into minus is plus. So 3 plus 3 is how much here? 6 into bracket x minus into minus is how much here? Plus 3. Cancel 2 4 2 3. Therefore y minus 5 is equals to minus 4 divided by 3 into bracket x plus 3. Next what to do? Cross multiplication. 3 will come in the numerator into bracket y minus 5, keep it as it is equals to what is the remaining value here? Minus 4 into bracket x plus 3. Open the bracket in both the side. So 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 5 minus 5 minus 15, minus 4 into x minus 4x, minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. Again you know x contains which sign here? Negative sign. So these two values are minus 4x becomes plus 4x plus 3y, already it is there. Next minus 15 also keep it as it is, minus 12 becomes what here? Plus 12. Therefore 4x plus 3y, keep it as it is, minus 15 plus 12 is how much? Minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of what? Median line. Next, examples using the formula x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1, that is intercept form. Question: write intercept form of equation of straight line, and find equation of straight line with intercepts 3 and 2. Okay, here what to do? First you need to write the formula, that is intercept form of straight line formula you should write. Next here both the intercepts values are given, a value and b value both are given. So using this you need to find out equation of straight line. Therefore solution: intercept form is given by x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. So now x intercept, that is a, is equals to 3, and y intercept, that is b, is equals to how much it is? 2. Therefore equation of straight line x divided by a plus y divided by b is equals to 1. Substitute x upon a is 3 plus y upon b is 2 is equals to 1. So here next what to do, you need to take the LCM. So 3 and 2 means 6 is the LCM, correct? So here 3 and 2. So 3, 1, 2, keep it as it is. So next 2. Next these two you multiply. So here 3 into 2 is how much here? 6. Therefore here take the LCM is 6. Multiply here by 2 because 3 into 2 is 6. Here 2 is there, so multiply by 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Next these two you multiply. 2 into x is 2x plus 3 into y is 3y is equals to 1. So next step, do the cross multiplication. Therefore 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 into 1 is how much? 6. Later on shift this plus 6 to left hand side. Therefore 2x plus 3y plus 6 becomes what? Minus 6 equals to 0. So this is the required equation of straight line. Next, find equation of straight line with intercept 4 and 2. So solution same. Again x intercept value is given, that is a is equals to 4, and y intercept, that is b value is given how much? 2. Therefore equation of straight line x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. Substitute x upon a is 4, y upon b is 2 equals to 1. Next here what to do in the next step, you need to take the LCM. 4 and 2 is there, 4 is the LCM. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1, next 2 1. Therefore multiply these two. 2 into 2 is how much here? 4. Therefore 4 is the LCM. Already 4 is there, so multiply by 1. 2 is there. To get this 4 you need to multiply by 2. So x into 1 is x plus y into 2 is 2y equals to 1. Next cross multiplication, x plus 2y equals to 4 into 1 is 4. Therefore x plus 2y plus 4 shift to left hand side, it becomes minus 4 equals to 0. So this is the required equation of straight line. Next question, find x intercept and y intercept of the straight line 3x plus 2y plus 4 equals to 0. Means here you need to find out the value of a and b. So solution, so 3x plus 2y plus 4 equals to 0. So it is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to how much? 0. So here a is equals to 3, b is equals to 2, and c is equals to 4. Therefore x intercept formula minus c divided by a. So minus c is 4 divided by a is 3, and y intercept minus c divided by b. So minus c is 4 upon b is 2. So 2 1 2 2. So answer is minus 2. So x intercept value is minus 4 by 3. Y intercept value is minus